China wants to invest billions of dollars in Afghanistan if the Taliban guarantees security for their workers and their assets. This according to the Taliban acting Deputy Minister of Information and Culture Zabiullah Mujahid, who also said his government is ready to deliver. In an television interview with VOA Aisha Tanzim in Kabul, Zabiullah Mujahid responded to questions about the Taliban negotiation with the United States and others. Afghanistan faltering economy, women rights, and the threat to Afghanistan's security after multiple high-profile attacks by the Islamic State in Afghanistan. The international community has strongly criticized the Taliban for not fulfilling pledge to respect women's rights and the rights of minorities and not for including enough members from other ethnic groups in the cabinet. The Taliban continues to ban girls in grades 6 to 11 from attending school, while boys are being allowed to continue their education. The Taliban cabinet is all male and its members are drawn mainly from Afghanistan-dominant Pashtun ethnic group. And while the Taliban have announced amnesty for everyone from the previous government, including those in the security forces or intelligence agencies, a recent amnesty report says Taliban forces unlawfully killed 13 ethnic Hazaras, including a 17-year-old girl. The report said most of those killed included Afghan security forces who had surrendered to the Taliban. Some question from Aisha Tanzim to the Zabiullah Mujahid. A question from Aisha Tanzim to the Zabiullah Mujahid. Daesh has managed to big attacks in Kabul and numerous small attacks in other provinces. How and why is it managing to do that? In reply, Zabiullah Mujahid said Daesh is not a major problem for us. It does not have a significant presence in Afghanistan and needs to hide itself. Still, it manages to carry out some activities like the explosion in Kunduz, but the Islamic Emirates Taliban name for its own government are after them. Our forces are trying to find the group's roots. In the last week and a half, we have arrested several people belonging to IS and have destroyed several of their safe houses. We have neutralized several of their attacks. The reason why Daesh has gained momentum is that when the Taliban broke open many of the jails during the takeover, the IS facilitators in those jails also escaped. That has helped them, but we have vowed to eliminate their presence from Afghanistan. Another question to Zabiullah Mujahid, the suicide attacker in Kunduz Uyghur. Has China expressed concern to you about that? What has China said to you since the attack? In reply, Zabiullah Mujahid said, we have not talked to any country about this issue. All Daesh operatives are Afghans, and there is no foreigner among them. She said, let me now turn to economy. Afghanistan's economy is not doing well. What is your plan to save the economy? Zabiullah Mujahid replied, the economy situation is returning to normalcy. We have collected and are still collecting national resources. Our traders are ready for investment. Work on major projects, including road construction, is going on. We are close to signing agreements of exploration with some countries. One question from Aisha. One of the things the US has asked for publicly is for you to open secondary school for girls, and the Taliban also promised education for women. These schools are already segregated. What are you waiting for? Why are you not opening these schools? Zabihullah Mujahid said so far America has not put any demands clearly on the table. They only express concern about women's rights and human rights, and we assure them that we will respect these rights but as per Islamic rules and law. So far, we are formulating that policy. We did not say girls should not go to school. We are consulting to formulate a plan and hope to resolve this issue shortly.